Hi there, this is Maths with Angela doing a video on probability. So what we're looking at here is, they're all quite wordy questions. So this is where probability is given as a name. So you can say something's possible, so it's not going to happen. You can say something's unlikely if it's less than half a chance of it happening. Evens means 50-50, half a chance. Likely means over half a chance of it happening, and certain means it will definitely happen. So let me give you some examples here of things which are definitely going to happen. So if it's certain, it'd be like, let's put it this way, if today was Tuesday, so today is Tuesday, that tomorrow will be Wednesday, that is certain. Okay. A likelihood is if you're in the UK and it's winter time, that it's going to rain tomorrow is a bigger 50-50 chance. Okay. Evens example would be if I had a coin and I tossed it, whether I get a head or a tail. So probably to get a head is an even chance. Unlikely is like if you lived in a very hot country, say somewhere in Africa, and it was going to rain tomorrow, there'd be a less than 50% chance of it happening, so it'd be unlikely. And impossible would be if today was Tuesday, that tomorrow is Saturday, that is impossible. So maybe that'll help you to do those questions. Okay then. Now, probability can be on a line of 0 to 1. So let's put these in terms of words. So 1 is certain. Okay, the one in the middle, which is a half, is evens. Okay, even. 0 is impossible. Okay, now anything between here and here is considered unlikely. Okay, anything between here and here is likely. Okay, so put an S and the probability that it will snow in London in June. Okay, so it's not completely impossible because it has happened. So anywhere in here, nearer this side is best. Okay, all right. Put a H where you have a fair coin. So fair coin means it hasn't been tampered with, and you will get a head. So I discussed that before, so you know where to put that. And M, where it will rain in Manchester next year. So in the whole of the year, well, it's pretty much near certain, okay, if not certain. Okay, then. So hopefully that's helpful with those questions there. Okay, now we're getting to the numbers. Okay, so probabilities are best written as fractions. Okay, so I'm going to do this question here, and I'm going to change the numbers on it. So let's say I have a total of, let's say 450 raffle tickets. One of these tickets will be the winner of the raffle. Each ticket has an equal chance of winning the raffle. Write down the probability that Kevin's ticket will win the raffle. Okay, so he buys one ticket, so that's 1 out of 450 chance. Okay, better odds than the lottery, but there you go. Okay then. Right, so here we've got write down the probability that the spinner will land in A. Well, let me change that. I'm going to do it for B. Okay, so I count up the B's, so 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 B's out of, and then I'm going to count all the possibilities. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 3 out of 8. Okay, all right. So you can have a go at those questions with your numbers on the sheet. So here we have some colours, and I'm going to change the numbers so I can do. So let me say I'm going to put this one to 4, this one to 1, this one to 3, and this one to 4 as well. Okay. Right, she picks a bead out at random. What's the probability she picks a blue one? So there are 3 blue ones out of, and I've got to add these up. So I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 3 out of 12. Now remember, this can be cancelled down if you can. They're both in the 3 times table. So this divided by 3 is 1. this divided by 3 is 4. So that is why this is worth 2 marks if you have to cancel it down. So you have a go with your numbers. Okay then. And then, right, I want to have a look at question 7, where the probability of it not happening. So let's change mine to 0.03. Okay. So all probabilities add up to 1. So probability of it not happening is what I have to add to this to get 1. Or what do I do to take away? So 1 take away 0.03. Okay, so you can do it as a sum like this. So you've got 1 take away 0.03. Okay, so I'm going to have to borrow, so cross that out, right, 0, 0, put 1 there, cross that out, right, 9, 1 there. So I've got 10 take away 3, which is 7, 9 take away nothing is 9, and 0 take away 0 is 0. So that is my answer to that one. Okay then, right. Okay, here we have a two-way table. Okay, so I'm going to change the numbers and then you can have a go at filling in. So if I put that to 10, okay, let's change this. So let me change this one here. Let's put that to 13. Okay. All right then. Let's 1. Okay, and this one. Right. Okay. So we'll have a go at doing this one here. Okay. So as you can see, I've got, these are the totals. So this add this is this, 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 and it works the other way as well. This one add this one add this one is that, this one add this one, this and that, and this is the ultimate one. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to work these out. So let's find one where we've got one that's missing. So you see at the bottom here, this is missing, yeah? Okay, but I can work it out because I've got these two, yeah? So I know that 60 take away 17 take away 25 will give me this middle one here. So we'll do that calculation. So 60 take away 17 take away 25 gives us 18. So this is 18. Then I know that these two here make 18, so this has got to be a 5, because 5 add 13 is 18. Then I can work out this one here, because this plus this plus this makes 34. So I'm going to do 34, take away 10, take away 5, leaves me with 19. Okay. Then I know that 19 plus something gives me 25, so 25 minus the 19 gives me 6. Okay, and then the same with this one here, 10 plus 7 gives me 17, and then I can add these ones up. Hopefully it works. I'm not sure it is going to work, but anyway, 26, and then 34 plus 26 does give me 60. Yes, it works. Always changing the numbers can mess things up. Okay, so you can have a go at the ones with the black numbers in. So hopefully that was helpful. We can answer the last question, which says write down the probability the student visits Germany. So there were 25 students that visited Germany out of a total of 60 students. Okay, anyway, hopefully that was helpful. You have a go at the other questions. Bye.